Now I am explaining about the website of my login, sign up and dashboard functionality. It start with Express. Express is used to connecting the routes, and Mongoose. Here constant Mongoose is used to connect the Mongoose, and here method override is used to update the given listings. EGS mate is used to update the creating the EGS mates, and here session is used to record the sessions of a browser, and here flash is used to notifications. Passport.js is used to provide authentication for the login and sign up functionality. Here and path is used to showing the required path like localhost 8000 like that. Mongo store, it is used to require the database sessions, and Multer is used to store the images and images of a file. Here we used the utils wrap async for login with data, and here get request. Next we want to go to models. In models we create a before models we go into app.js. This is a app.js file, and here we use app.use to show the route, and here app.use is used to get the data from the user, and here slash is the main route, as sign up is the sign up route, and login is the login route. User controller is used to provide the authentication for the user. Here logout is the logout for logging out. For listings we use hash listings, and for listings means they are cards, separate cards. For listings, for edit, for update and delete we use all get, post and delete requests, and we use here localhost 8000 for routing. Next we go to the listing.js. It is used to store the data of listing middleware. It is a middleware. Here this is listing.js containing title, image and reviews and owner of that listing. It is like Airbnb website, so listing means one hotel like that. So here listing schema, and here middleware it is used, it is interaction between the user and the route. It is in the middle of the user and the server. It acts as a server. So here we use module.exports that is owner to find out the owner. Here we use the review author to find out the who writes the review. Okay sir, now we go into the reviews.js. Okay, in reviews.js for reviews we use comment as a string, rating created at author etc. we use, and in user.js we use it to store the email. In review we use the type schema, and in user we use the type also schema. Now we want to show the node modules. Here we have used so much node modules. To create a node modules we use npm install to create a node modules, and here we used Express.js for authentication, and wrap async for data storage, and here there are so many layouts like boilerplate, the main code of the data. Boilerplate is used to again and again we don't write the specific code, so we use the boilerplate, and here edit.egs is used to editing list of the data. EGS is the template which is used to generate the HTML and JavaScript files in a one file. Here index.js and all these are used to store are the templates. Now we go to the public file, which it is a styling of rating of JSS. Here we use star styling, so this is star. Okay, now this is style.css, and this is script function which is used for passport, and here is a wrapping function. This is a boilerplate. This is footer header files, all navbar. It is a navbar file. It is a boilerplate of which contains all bootstrap, all. Here we use layout for applying all to the bootstrap boilerplate to all EJS templates. It is new.ejs for creating a new data, and this is a show.ejs for showing the data. This is new.ejs for adding new listing, like adding new water, like that. This is show.ejs for showing. This is error.ejs for showing the error. This is main our app.js. Yes. This is cloud. We use here cloud as cloudinary for storing the images. This is package.json, which contains .env file, EJS file, EJS mate file, Express file, like that. Joy for authentication, and method override for putting. We can't directly update the request, so we use method override. Here multer and nodemon for providing. Nodemon is used to automatically save the data. Instead of applying always node, we use nodemon. This is schema for rules. Okay, sir, now we see our website. This is our website. This is like Airbnb website. Template, small template of Airbnb website. This is for the taxes. Here, if you, and here this is a login page, and here this is when we go to sign up page. That is sign up page, and here we use listings page also to generate all listings. This is the edit.ejs and delete. For review, we give a review which starts on comment. For commenting also, we need to first log in the website. This is a search bar, and this is the explore button. This is a small demo project of mine, sir, and this is my app.js. Okay, sir, thank you.